Looking for delicious and healthy smoothie recipes for weight loss? Today we're diving into the world of nutritious, weight loss supportive smoothies. Packed with fruits, veggies, and essential nutrients, these blends are your ticket to a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of smoothies and share 5 amazing recipes. First up, we have the Green Lean Machine. You'll need a cup of spinach, half a cucumber peeled and sliced, 1 green apple cored and chopped, the juice of 1 lemon, and a cup of coconut water. Start by washing the spinach, cucumber, and apple. Then, in a blender, combine these with the lemon juice. Add the coconut water and blend until smooth. For a cool twist, add ice and blend again. Enjoy this refreshing, nutrient-packed smoothie that can help you shed those extra pounds. Next, we introduce the Slimming Blueberry Blast. This delightful mix requires 1 cup of blueberries, half a cup of Greek yogurt, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and a cup of almond milk. For a dash of sweetness, consider adding a teaspoon of honey. Start by rinsing the blueberries and soaking the chia seeds in almond milk. Then blend these ingredients along with the Greek yogurt until smooth. Add the honey, blend once more, and voila! This smoothie not only helps with weight loss but also serves as a delicious treat. Now, let's explore the Citrus Detox Elixir and protein-packed berry burst. The Citrus Detox Elixir is a refreshing blend of grapefruit, orange, banana, and kale, diluted with either water or coconut water. Begin by peeling and segmenting the grapefruit and orange. Then, in a blender, combine these citrus fruits with banana and kale, adding your choice of water or coconut water. Blend until smooth and adjust the consistency as desired. Next up is the protein-packed berry burst, a delightful mix of mixed berries, protein powder, almond milk, and flax seeds. Start by rinsing the mixed berries and soaking the flax seeds in almond milk for a few minutes. Then, in the blender, combine the mixed berries, protein powder, soaked flax seeds, and almond milk. Blend until you achieve a smooth texture. These smoothies are loaded with vitamins, fiber, and protein, making them perfect for weight loss and overall health. Finally, we present the Mango Tango Slimdown. This tropical delight is a blend of 1 cup of peeled and chopped mango, half a cup of pineapple chunks, half a cup of plain yogurt, and 1 cup of coconut water. Start by peeling and chopping the mango. Then, in a blender, combine the mango, pineapple chunks, plain yogurt, and coconut water. Blend until the mixture is creamy. Before serving, don't forget to sprinkle a hint of cinnamon on top for that extra flavor kick. Now let's do a quick recap. Today we've explored 5 fabulous smoothie recipes: the Green Lean Machine, Slimming Blueberry Blast, Citrus Detox Elixir, Protein-Packed Berry Burst, and of course, our Mango Tango Slimdown. Each of these smoothies is packed with nutrients, designed to support weight loss and overall health. They're not just delicious but also incredibly easy to whip up. With these 5 fabulous smoothie recipes, you're all set to kickstart your weight loss journey. Cheers to a healthier you.